Hi, I'm Christian from the product team at Barebones. Today I'm going to show you how to charge your beacon lantern as well as replace the battery. Charging the beacon lantern is very simple. There's a USB cord that's attached on the underside. You just unwrap it and you plug it into any USB outlet. You know your beacon lantern is charging if any of the LED lights are on and blinking. Charge time for the beacon lantern is 4 hours, and you know it's fully charged if the third LED on the lantern is full. Once the beacon is fully charged, you can unplug it and you wrap up the USB cord back into its previous position. Now I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your beacon lantern. If you suspect that your battery is dead, there are 3 things that you can check before replacing the battery. First thing to check is the battery charged. Charge your lantern and see if it turns on. If it does it, the last 2 things are, do I have a battery in the unit, and is the battery in the correct orientation? Now let's open up the battery compartment. That's that silver column on the inside of the lantern. You can access that by grasping the plastic lens and turning counterclockwise snugly. Once it clicks, you can lift it directly out. This silver column unscrews counterclockwise. And here's our battery. The beacon lantern takes an 18650 battery. This is a Barebones specific product and it's available for purchase on our website. This battery comes in either gray or red. The plastic on the outside of the battery is permanent, so do not remove. If you do, the battery won't work. Now let's insert the battery into the unit. The battery is in the correct orientation when the metal ends make contact with the pins on the inside of the lantern. I can insert my battery into the tube first, metal ends pointing out, and then I screw the tube into place. I know I've done this correctly because the beacon lantern now turns on. Finally, let's put the lens back into place. The white dot on the flat side of the lens lines up with the white dot on the underside of the hood. You insert that into place, make sure the USB is out of the way, and turn clockwise, snapping it into place. That's how you charge your beacon lantern as well as replace its battery.